Meaning of International Baccalaureate.
International Baccalaureate.
International Baccalaureate.
International Baccalaureate.
International Baccalaureate. The International Baccalaureate (IB) is an educational foundation headquartered in Switzerland. It offers 4 educational programs: the IB Primary Years Program, the IB Middle Years Program, the IB Diploma Program, and the IB Career-Related Program. The IB is focused on providing an internationally recognized education for students aged 3 to 19 that emphasizes critical thinking, creativity, and intercultural understanding. The IB Diploma Program, in particular, is a 2-year course of study that provides a rigorous and challenging curriculum recognized by universities worldwide.